Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back. So today I'm gonna be installing some wheel spacers and I got two boxes, so let's see which one it is. I'm gonna say maybe this little small one because this one's pretty big. So let's check it out real quick, see which one it is. Alright guys, so it's gonna be this right here. I got a 15 mil wheel spacer, and in this box these are my brake lines. These are my brake lines for my Hydro e-brake. So hopefully I'll get that installed in the next couple of weeks. So real quick, let's check these out. Pretty nice. And it's raining right now, so it might get a little wet. But after that. And then yesterday I was gonna put my new wheel on, but this thing and this thing right here didn't line up, and this was the part that I was waiting for. And I ordered another one, so hopefully it'll come in tomorrow. Which today's Sunday, so tomorrow will be Monday. Yeah, so let's see what's up. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to put this on, so let's go outside. Alright guys, so I gotta use this black piece of wood to drive over so I can try to lift up the car because it's pretty low. And not the jack will not fit. So just find a spot where we can lift it up at. Alright, I guess we'll put it right here. Alright guys, the wheel's finally off. Let's put it on the side. Check out the new space, the old spacer. It's all nasty and rusted out. This is the new one, pretty clean. Nice and easy. Let's put the new one back on. Let's test out the new one. See how that goes up. So it's all done now. Still a little small gap, but it's fine. Should have got a bigger spacer, but I'm gonna be getting new wheels in the summer, so maybe I might be able to use this again. But it's all good. Here's the old one. But anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.